we have to calculate the percentage, that is population percentage. In that we have to population frequency percentage we have to calculate by the formula, which is F is equal to A by B into 100. Okay. Always whenever we are calculate the frequency, we are using the symbol of percentage, that is percentage. Okay. Whenever we are calculating frequency, we are having N, A and B. As previous video, we all know about the quadrant method. Okay. So this is our population frequency chart where we have to calculate the frequency of the species. Now species A is leaf, species B is flower, species C circle shape, species D rectangle shape, species E is triangle shape. We have to calculate row 1 and the frequency of the row 1. Okay. Now the species A is leaf. Okay. In row 1 leaf species is 2. In row 2 leaf species is 1. In 3 1. In leaf 1 and fifth there is no species. Another species B in row 1, that is flower. Flower present 1 in 2 quadrant 2 2, quadrant 3 1, quadrant 4 3, 5 1. As such, you have to calculate all the species in row 1. Let's see how we can write in the observation table. Now, plant species, that is plant species A, B, C, D and E. We have various shape, various color. We are using different shape, different color, different plant species. First, A species is leaf, B is flower, C is circle, D is rectangle and E is triangle. Now, number of individual per quadrant we have to calculate. Firstly, we have to take row 1. As we see in the chart, row 1 having quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Next is total number of individual in all quadrant. We have to summation of, that is n. All of the quadrant summation is n. Next, total number of quadrant where species occur is your A. Total number of quadrants studied is your B, which means 5 is your total number of quadrants. Now formula frequency, population frequency calculated by F is equal to A by B into 100. Now row 1 having species 1, that is leaf 2 in quadrant number 1. Species leaf 1 in quadrant number 2. 1 in quadrant number 3, 1 in 4 and there is no species in 5. Let's write in the observation table. Now species A, that is 2 leaf in quadrant 1, 1 leaf in 2, 1 leaf in quadrant 3, 1 in 4 and there is no, so we have to write 0. Okay, there is no species occurring 5. Now summation of all quadrant is 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we don't calculate the fifth one. Total number of quadrant where species occur, that is your A. Okay. Now where species occur means 2 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 quadrants is having species. And why we are not writing 5? Because there is no species. Now total number of quadrants studied, that is B. So we have to study 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in every. Okay. So we have to write 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Now frequency in percentage, F is equal to A. What is your A? That is 4 by B. B is your 5 into 100. So whatever the value is your frequency, that is population frequency. This is your all over species where calculate the population frequency in percentage. We calculate the frequency in 4 by 5 into 100 is equal to 80%. There are 1, 2 and 3 species which is 80% and 1 and 2 species which is 100%. This is your all frequency percentage. You have to add the percentage sign everywhere. Okay.